Today, I'm going to share with you how much YouTube paid me after reaching 1,000 subscribers on my channel and being monetized for a full 90 days. The amounts weren't jaw-dropping, but still surprising, since I haven't published any new videos in over 90 days, and yet my revenue stayed consistent and even increased recently. I think this is because I took a different approach to YouTube and monetization that I believe is much easier, which I'll explain shortly. But in this video, I'm going to show you what it took to get here, which videos make money, which ones don't, and break down everything I earned through the YouTube Partner Program in my first 90 days. But I'll also share what I made outside the YouTube Partner Program, because the first money I made through YouTube was this $77 back in November from promoting my vidIQ affiliate link in my 15th video a full 7 months before this channel got into the YouTube Partner Program. And recently, I withdrew all of my vidIQ earnings into this check I'll show you in the full breakdown. As you probably already know, to make money from YouTube AdSense, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, and those 4,000 hours of watch time have to be within the last 12 months. It took me just 22 long-form videos to meet those requirements, which is relatively low, and most subscribers and watch time came from just 4 videos I created using a repeatable process I developed to rank in search. These 4 videos didn't just bring in the majority of my views, subscribers, and watch time, they're also my biggest earners, with the best one bringing in about $60 per month, just to give you some idea how much YouTube paid me in the AI niche for a video getting search traffic. Now, let's talk about how long it takes to get monetized on YouTube with the strategy and approach I used. I started this channel a while back in May 2023, and it's actually my 3rd YouTube channel. My previous 2 channels never got monetized, but accumulated hundreds of thousands of views through just a handful of evergreen videos found through search. But like a lot of creators, I also had fantasies of creating that one viral hit that would explode my channel overnight, like I had seen some others do on the platform. So I got a little distracted by that at times, trying to create my own viral videos, and I made a really big rookie mistake right at the beginning by investing heavily in new camera gear right up front. I spent 3.5 months buying gear, obsessing over production quality and editing before publishing my first video, which flopped pretty bad. After my first upload, it took me a little over a year and 17 more videos to hit the 1,000 subscriber mark earlier this year, January 2025. YouTube monetization wasn't my primary goal. My goal was to see if I could build passive income businesses by using YouTube to grow email lists for launching my own recurring revenue products with affiliate and ad revenue as an early source of recurring revenue. So I spent about 60 hours per video on research, scripting, recording, editing, and packaging, plus additional time creating free resources to promote in the videos to grow my email list. After hitting 1,000 subscribers, it was clear targeting search was the winning strategy. So I created 4 more videos targeting search over the next 3 months and reached 4,000 hours of watch time on April 4th, 2025. I was accepted into the partner program on April 17th, but I didn't receive my first payment for another 2 months, but I finally did get it on June 23rd, and it was for a whopping $158.79. That was for more than 1 month of ads, since I was only monetized for the last 2 weeks of the first pay period and didn't reach the $100 payout threshold in the first month. I did publish 1 more video after I got monetized, but over the next 2 months, I still made similar amounts to what I made my first month, with my first full 90-day total coming in at $392.76. But that was just from YouTube AdSense on all 23 of my videos. I've actually made many times more than that from just 2 of those 23 videos, and so I'll now share how much YouTube paid me on affiliate programs, starting with this check from PayPal for all my vidIQ affiliate revenue that started trickling in 7 months before I was monetized on YouTube. From just 1 evergreen video that gets most of its views from YouTube search, I've made $1,005 even. I've made this Google sheet for the full breakdown of my earnings, and I'll paste the monthly earnings I have transferred over from PayPal into the sheet here. Next, I'll paste in payments from the Lovable affiliate program, which I joined back in March and started promoting in just 1 video. Since my first payment back in May, I've averaged over $100 monthly, totaling $491.65 over the last 4 months. So if we now hide these rows and just look at my first 90 days of earnings from all sources, we can see I made a total of $1,321.19, which means 70% of revenue was generated outside YouTube AdSense. Now let's unhide those rows again and reveal this column to show the grand total of all revenue generated so far, a total of $1,889.41 from YouTube and affiliate programs combined. And 95% of all of this revenue comes from just a handful of evergreen videos ranking in YouTube search that continue to generate traffic every month without additional work from me. Once it was clear to me I figured out how to reliably rank videos in search, I created a comprehensive 65-page guide complete with checklists detailing my proven process, and I call it the Rank Fast Formula. It's available as both a PDF and a Notion template, and you can download it for free for a limited time using the link in the description. So there are two main takeaways here. First, you absolutely don't have to wait until you're monetized through the YouTube Partner Program to start making money with your channel. Second, you don't need to chase viral hits to generate significant income. Another important takeaway here is that YouTube AdSense is just one of many revenue streams and probably the least profitable one. My RPM, or revenue per mil, is only $7.93. This is how much YouTube pays me per 1,000 video views after YouTube takes their cut. So this works out to just 0.7 cents per view, so not even 1 cent per view. That's why affiliate marketing was 70% of my revenue from just 2 videos. But you can also create products, offer services, or build an email list and make even more revenue. I've built an email list with almost 700 subscribers off this channel so far, and over 250 of those people have downloaded the Rank Fast formula, which makes them perfect candidates for the Rank Fast web app I'm building. Don't forget to download my Rank Fast formula using the link in the description, and also watch this video, which walks you through the whole formula step by step. Thanks for watching.